All right. My former doctor, I was on my way to the airport, and she says, you've got bone on bone in the left shoulder and a full tear in the rotator cuff. So I found Dr. Kevin Kruse, and he said, this is what you need. So I was a little bit scared at first, but I had lost 60% use of the left shoulder. So a series of meetings and x-rays, and he made me a left shoulder, and I just am so happy. Rehabbing the left shoulder, I realized that the right shoulder was giving me trouble. Couldn't lift a plate, put it in on the shelf in the kitchen. So came back to Dr. Kruse, and through a series of tests and everything, the right shoulder was pretty much the same as the left. So when time had elapsed and he could do it, he put me in a right shoulder.
Nice.
I am so grateful. At this point in time, I'm way down the road, months down the road, and I can use both shoulders, comb my hair, wash my hair, tie my apron. So I'm just very excited.
Show me how you can lift both your shoulders. Excellent. And then show me behind the back as far as you can go, which is pretty great because those are reverse shoulders. So that's a really great result to be able to rotate behind the back that way. Well, so you've been an excellent patient. You're a pleasure to take care of, and I'm elated that you've had such a good result.
I'm so pleased. Thank you for giving me new shoulders.
You got it.